Playa Norte is a breathtaking beach on Isla Mujeres, Mexico, just a quick 20-minute ferry ride from downtown Cancun. Known for its soft white sand and crystal clear turquoise water, it often ranks as one of the top 10 beaches in the world. You may have seen one of my many drone videos showcasing its serene, picturesque beauty, perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and relaxing, but have wondered, what does it look like from the ground? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll take you through 6 incredible spots along this stunning beach. Join me for a walking tour of Playa Norte in March 2025. We are the Fishers, a family traveling the road with our 2 small kids, but Isla Mujeres will always be our home away from home. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We visit this incredible island 5 to 6 times a year, and throughout 2025, I'll be sharing videos on some must-know topics, including best snorkeling spots, hidden gems, top restaurants, Altamar Ferry, best beach clubs, best island excursions, great cocktails, things to do with your kids, and more. And starting next week, we'll also be posting 360-degree videos of Isla Mujeres, captured with our new Insta360 camera. This will give you a true perspective of being on the island, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Okay, I've said enough. Now back to the walking video. If you haven't already, now's the perfect time to check out our channel. We have lots of videos on Isla Mujeres. We also have exciting trips planned for Africa, Europe, and South America for 2025. So make sure to subscribe to follow along. Cheers!